Hi guys! Welcome to my channel. So, andito ngayon kasama si Ellen.
Hello, hello.
And Ben.
Hey.
Antuk pa.
We will be going to Kiama, which is 2 hours away from Sydney. And we left home around 6. Pero we have to go back because we left the camera, which is important. We left 6:30 and we are in... Where are we again?
Warawong now.
Warawong. Yes, we are in Warawong around 9:48 because we have to stop by Grand Pacific Drive, Tirol.
We took the scenic route.
Yeah, we took the scenic route, which is not very scenic because it's a bit gloomy today. But
I liked it.
But it's sunny now, which is good. So, ayan, sunny na siya. Nasa Warawong pa rin kami. And, yep. So, yun. I'll see you again when we get to Kiama.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Hello guys, so we just arrived Kiama and we're just looking around the park because our check-in will be at 3 p.m. It's 10, I think 10:15, and we're just looking around the park near the town. So I'll show you the Kiama. It looks like Norfolk Island actually. So Norfolk Island is a island that's close to Brisbane and New Zealand. So, andito na si Ate Ellen. What can you say about Kiama?
Kiama.
Kiama.
Kiama is?
Kiama.
Can I spell Kiama? K for kangaroo.
I
For eye. A for apple. M for maganda. Magayon.
Magayon.
A for apple.
Huh?
Sa panahon mo. Pwede man uminom yata dyan. Inom tayo kang gano'n.
Ayoko na.
Grape po yan na inuman yan.
Malay mo tubig alat yan.
Ay, may saan kayo? Rockpool dito dyan yata. Pwede sa kabila.
Ready?
Ay,
Yeah.
siguro.
Did you put sunscreen?
You know I did.
Huh?
I already asked that several times.
Oo, yan din yung rockpool dyan. May liguan dyan ka.
Ah, talaga?
Kaya ng mga bata, walang sasalwal na. Siguro, ewan ko, noon pagpunta natin.
Ito o, rock pool. Rock tsaka tubig. Ang mahirap kasi dyan, hindi mo alam kung gaano kalalim. Tsaka madulas yung ganyan eh.
Oo, hindi maganda yun. Masarap ka maglaba. Dala yung labahin mo, hindi na pinitawan mo.
Tara, ligo. Let's swim. Tara, anak. Ano?
Ay, hindi man ako nakasot ng ano, wala man lang.
May banyo doon. Ano, tara. Oh, ang ganda. Ang sarap, Ate Ellen. Let's swim, Ben.
Mga tubig alat yan, di ba?
Oo, tara. Gusto ko. Yay. Ano, tara.
Mukha naman malamig.
Hindi. Tanggalin mong init kaya.
Gusto natin ang tubig sa kanila. Naligo na nga ang bata, oh.
Ben, please. Please. Please.
Ayun, may babaan siya, oh. Malalim yata ka. Malunod ka, madala na
Tingnan natin.
Malalim to.
Ang ganda. Hindi yan.
Ooh, look at that one.
Ooh, look at that. Hindi yan. Ang laki ng control ng ano eh. Nawawala ang waves niyan.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Wood, but you get scratched around by the rock.
I don't reckon it's not the soil's not big enough. The ones much better from this angle. Oh, look at that. I wonder what that used to be. Whoa. I think that's the biggest one so far.
The water world, the fire world.
Woo, Happy New Year.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
There's splashing around there too.
Yep, nice in here. Lot better. There's one there too.
Yeah.
Did you see that? I think it's the more.
Whoa. It wasn't the biggest, but I think it was the highest.
The highest.